Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Hope you have enjoyed your holidays. Today, we are going to discuss the exercises of Workbook Unit 9. Do you remember, children, the story of Blind Man and the Elephant? So, here you have a passage about what a wolf thinks of his shadow. All of you read this passage and try to answer the questions. In page number 66, exercise C, there are some meanings are given there. You have to find out a word from the story. All of you try to find out that word and check your answers. Next, we move to vocabulary section. There is a comparison in each of the given sentences. Explain what is being compared to what. So, what do you call comparing one thing to another? They are known as similes. So, look at the first one. Rohan's dog is as hungry as a wolf. So, here Rohan's dog is compared to wolf. And second one, Arya has a smile as sweet as honey. Here Arya's smile is compared to honey. Third one, Amit is as happy as a rabbit jumping on a grass. So here Amit is compared to a rabbit. Fourth one, Sonia has a dress as beautiful as the rainbow. Here Sonia's dress is compared to a rainbow. Next one, Rajat has a game as difficult as a Greek puzzle. Here Rajat's game is compared to Greek puzzle. Next we move to grammar section. Here we learn joining words. Another name for joining word is conjunctions. Conjunction is a part of speech that connects two sentences or joining two sentences by using these words. And let's learn the usage of these words one by one. We use and to join two words or two groups of words or two or more parts of a sentence. Next is or is used to give a choice. Next is but. We use but to make a contrast sentence. And the last one is because. We use because to answer the question why. So look at the first one. If you want the book, come dash take it. So if you want the book, you come and take it. Second one, I hope to make it in time for the picnic dash I'm not sure. So the answer is but. Third one, you could wear your pink gown dash your red dress this evening. Here you have a choice. So we use the joining word or. Fourth one, she rushed to the station dash she missed her train. The answer is but. Fifth one, I went to the chemist dash I had to buy medicines. So there is a question arise why you went to the chemist because I had to buy medicines. Sixth one, beavers build dams by night dash sleep by day. Answer is and. Seventh one, would you like your coffee hot dash cold? Answer is or. Next one, there was a long queue dash I managed to enter in time. Here the answer is but. Next one, they could not return as scheduled dash there was a landslide on the way. Here you have to answer the question why. So the answer is because. And the last one, she enjoys going to the park dash she loves going up and down the slides. And here the answer is because. So hope you have understood this exercise. Next we move to study skills. There we learn new word that is alliteration. Alliteration is a literary word. It means the repetition of similar consonant sounds at the beginning of words. For example, the Willy Wolf wanted to win. Here the letter W is consonant. Here you can see the consonant W has same sound in a series of words. This is known as alliteration. Now fill in the blanks with words that begin with a sound similar to the initial sound of the given words. So first one is books. Bulky books, cream cracker, tall tree, hungry horses, five fingers, red roses, seven sisters, dirty dogs, singing style, lost love. Here you can see the repetition of consonant sound in a series of words. This is known as alliteration. Next, we move to the writing section. It is good to have dreams. However, it is also important to know the reality and learn from the people around us. Think of one person from your life who you look up to. Who is that person? Why do you look up to him or her? Write a short paragraph about him or her. All of you try to complete this paragraph. That's all for today. Hope you have understood the exercises of this unit, and the test paper 3 and 4 we will discuss during the revision time. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.